Last year I spent $769 and turned it into $31,950 doing lash lift services, and I'm here to break it down for you. Hi, my name is Danielle, and I'm a licensed esthetician and a lash artist in North Richland Hills, Texas, and I'm the Texas educator for Beautiful Brows and Lashes. I'm going to be breaking down how you can also make up to or exceed $32,000 a year doing lash lift services. I built this scenario off of if you did X amount of lifts each week for 52 weeks to keep that year in mind. So we'll just go down the list. If you were to do one lift per week and you were to charge between $75 to $125, that would equal 52 lifts for the year, and you would make between $3,900 to $6,500. And all these numbers, and even my own personal number, those were not including tips, and they were not including aftercare retail sales. So hold tight, it gets better. If you were to do 2 lifts a week, this would be 104 lifts for the year, and you would make between $7,800 and $13,000. If you were to do 3 lifts per week, that would be 156 lifts, and you would make between $11,700 to $19,500. If you were to do 4 lifts per week, that would be 208 lifts, and you would make between $15,600 and $26,000. If you were to do 5 lifts per week, this would be 260 lifts, and you would make between $19,500 and $32,500. If you were to do 6 lifts per week, this would be 312 lifts, and that would make $32,400 to $39,000 for the year. Okay. And lastly, if you were to do 7 lifts per week, which it can be done, it can even be done in a day if you want to, that would be 364 lifts, and that would be $27,300 to $45,500 for the year. So my number was based on 381 lifts. I definitely charge like a middle to lower end range of the 75 to 125, and you can charge whatever you want, but for my demographic, I feel comfortable with that. It's not like I did 381 new people. I just have lots of people coming back to see me every 5-day weeks, or at least once a quarter, and you can too. No matter what service you're doing, or you predominantly offer hairstylist, waxer, brow artist, whatever you are, you can add lash lifts into your service menu and make another, I guess it depends on how much you want to make, $3,900 all the way up to $45,500. And this is not with tips. So the goal, or whatever you're wanting to reach, whatever you're wanting to add to your income this year, it's up to you. How many lifts do you want to do? If you're not sure where to start, like I said, I'm the Texas educator for Beautiful Brows and Lashes, and I believe in this product so much. I've been using it for 5 years, and they just came out with their Korean lash lift system, which is K-Balm. It's a cysteamine system. My personal favorite, though, will always be the OG traditional TGA lash lift, but I can teach you on either. So I offer, if you're in the DFW area or you want to travel to me, I offer one-on-one classes, group classes, I do Zoom classes, but I'm also willing to travel to you depending where you're at. If that's not something that works out for you, Beautiful Brows and Lashes has a great online program and can teach you there. So this is your sign to get started, okay? It's the year of the horse. Giddy up, girl, come on.